Welcome to this playlist on the fundamentals of health statistics. This playlist is meant to be an introduction to the concepts and principles that will be beneficial for you, especially if you are just getting started out in medical statistics or health statistics or biostatistics. The primary objectives is to develop basic skills in computation and calculations of statistics, and also to be able to make use of appropriate methods to display data. You will also benefit from a development of skills in critical thinking and in data interpretation. Topics to be covered will range from descriptive statistics to inferential statistics. We'll cover basics of descriptive statistics, including the summarizing and graphing of data. And in inferential statistics, you'll be introduced to the basics of probability and hypothesis testing. The main reference material that I will make use of is the Elementary Statistics 12th edition by Mario Traiola. The book itself was not written for the health sciences necessarily, but the concepts and principles that are discussed in the book are transferable.